ASU is made up of diverse backgrounds and perspectives.
And we celebrate that.
A public university
embedded in diverse communities
means that we are exposed to ideas and opinions that may differ from our own.
First, we want you to know that free speech on all ASU campuses
is something that we both respect and expect.
Fostering the free exchange of ideas
reinforces our institutional commitment
to building a university that welcomes people of all backgrounds.
Not only is free speech a constitutional right,
but it is a critical part for our learning experience.
Exposure to free speech helps us learn
from individuals whose experiences and opinions
are different from our own.
We acknowledge and are compassionate regarding the fear or hurt
individuals might experience based on the ideas expressed.
We understand that what can be harmful to one
may not hold true for another.
We embrace this diversity of thought
and free speech in our community,
either spoken on campus or in digital environments.
We also recognize this freedom is essential
for us to express and defend
our own ideas and viewpoints.
You will meet people and hear opinions that you disagree with
during your time as an ASU student.
Here are some helpful tips that will help you navigate that.
You have a choice. You can choose to engage,
or you can choose to walk away.
If the moment doesn't seem like the right time or place,
or if a person doesn't seem open to a healthy debate,
we encourage you to think about other ways
to have your voice heard at another time.
If you're concerned about speech you've experienced,
seek guidance.
Start by contacting the Dean of Students' office.
We have access to university and community resources that we can connect you with.
These services are part of your ASU experience
and should be used. ASU professionals are here to help answer your questions
or engage in constructive conversations.
If you don't want or need the help of ASU,
talk to a friend.
Learning from your peers is an important part of college.
It's a complex moment in the world.
Free speech has and always will be a complicated issue in the United States.
We encourage all ASU students to speak their minds and contribute to the dialogue.
ASU respects the First Amendment
and honors the marketplace of ideas,
even if the ideas are different from our own.
When we foster discussion, dialogue, debate,
we succeed in creating a university
that lives up to the ASU Charter principles.
So speak up and learn from each other.
And never underestimate the power of your voice.
The power of your voice.
The power of your voice.
The power of your voice.